Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has announced a series of development and employment measures on Independence Day, with a long-term target of taking the state's economy to $3 trillion by 2047. Addressing the gathering at the Field Marshal Manekshaw Parade Ground in Bengaluru, Shivkumar said the government would focus on jobs, artificial intelligence, infrastructure, agriculture, and public services. The government plans to issue notifications within 6 months to fill 72,000 vacant government posts. It has also set a target of creating 1 lakh jobs in 2 years. A Yuva Udyog Setu will support private employment, while the proposed Udyog Nidhi will provide a monthly incentive of 2,500 rupees for new jobs created in 10 backward districts. AI education will be introduced from class 6th. Bengaluru is set to get the country's first government-owned AI university. The government will also launch the AI Akshara Abhiyan and Coding Gurukula. In agriculture, the government plans to use drones and satellites for crop surveys. A scheme called Raita Mitra will provide small farmers a 50% subsidy on machinery rentals. For Bengaluru, the government has announced a 26,000 crore rupees 117 kilometer Bengaluru business corridor as part of a wider 1.5 lakh crore rupees infrastructure push. 5 new police commissionerates, an anti-rowdy squad, 5 large free parks, and the restoration of 7 major lakes are also planned. Shivkumar said the government would establish a Praja Seva department to take governance closer to citizens. He also highlighted the Bhu Guarantee initiative for digitizing property records. He also urged Kannadigas to work together to drive Karnataka's development.